my first unboxing video of a 1/18 scale car I picked up for eBay that was super cheap. So yeah, it's a big box. We get ready to open this up. I ripped this address label off for safety reasons because I don't want my address information or the seller's information. Just be on the safe side. So here we go. Try to do this with one hand. And it's a 1/18 scale car. Next car to add it to my fleet, or a car that's kind of have a bad reputation, being the worst car for me, and somewhat kind of forgotten now. It was made back in the times where Chrysler tried to create something new. And you can tell it says Motormax, which is known as Walmart exclusive cars back in the early 2000s, back in I believe 2003 to 2004 they were released, but it was a long time ago. Now, Motorworks doesn't around anymore. Some of them are fetching some big, crazy, cuckoo high for money. Others, not so much. Is this better? There it comes. Alright then. Toss the old box of Rudy. And let's unveil it. What it is. Bam! A 1/18 scale PT Cruiser convertible made by Motormax. But this one is a Motorworks edition. Looks pretty good. It got an open hood, door, trunk, movable top, interior. Looks fantastic. Well, the seat belt's a little bit, you can't see it, but seat belt's a little wonky, but you know what? I had this piece to add to my PT Cruiser fleet. This is the last PT Cruiser cars to add. I got the PT Cruiser, the Pronto Cruiser, the GT Cruiser, and the Panel Cruiser. And this is the last piece of the PT Cruiser. This one's actually a production car. The other ones I mentioned were prototypes, except for the PT Cruiser. Yep. Copyright 2003 by Walmart. Yeah. Nice piece of add to the Motorworks theme. To the forgotten and the unusual, funky looking cars ever made. As we skip back a bit. And that is what it looks like. And that is all that she wrote.